You're not a girl no more. You're a boy, okay? Yeah, you don't have boobies no more. No more. You have a weenie now and balls. And balls. So now you have to go to the boys' restroom.
I want to do that.
Yeah, just.
I want to do that.
I'll teach you how to pee pee. Don't worry.
That's weird.
Yes, bitch.
Daisy, I'm not.
You heard me?
Daisy.
Go to your room. Are you high?
Daisy, I'm mom.
You're not fucking mom. Mom's black.
I'm mom.
Hey, doctor!
Jordan.
Doctor!
Jordan, stop yelling. Calm down. Jordan.
You just had your wisdom teeth out.
I'm not wise anymore.
Oh, honey, you are. You're fine.
I want to be wise.
You are.